Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most important meals of the day, breakfast. But not just any breakfast, ones that can aid in your weight loss journey naturally. We often hear that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's true. It kickstarts your metabolism, provides you with essential nutrients, and sets the tone for your eating habits throughout the day. So, if you're looking to shed some pounds without sacrificing taste or satisfaction, you're in the right place. Let's explore the 10 best breakfast foods to help you lose weight naturally. 1. Oatmeal. Let's start with a classic. Oatmeal. It's packed with fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied throughout the morning. Plus, oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that can help reduce cholesterol levels and promote a healthy heart. Opt for steel-cut or rolled oats and add some fresh fruits or nuts for extra flavor and nutrients. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only delicious but also rich in protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it also helps keep you full longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add your own toppings like berries, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, providing you with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Studies have shown that starting your day with eggs can help control hunger and reduce calorie intake throughout the day. Whether you like them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are a versatile and nutritious breakfast option. 4. Avocado toast. Avocado toast has become a trendy breakfast choice for good reason. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins, making them a satisfying and nutritious option. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top it with sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil for a delicious and filling breakfast. 5. Smoothies. Smoothies are a convenient and customizable breakfast option that can be packed with nutrients. Start with a base of leafy greens like spinach or kale, add some fruits like berries or bananas for sweetness, and throw in some protein sources like Greek yogurt or protein powder. Blend it all together for a refreshing and satisfying breakfast on the go. 6. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. When soaked in liquid, they expand and form a pudding-like consistency, making them a great base for a nutritious breakfast. Mix chia seeds with your choice of milk and let it sit overnight in the fridge. In the morning, top it with fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for a tasty and filling meal. 7. Whole grain toast with nut butter. Whole grain toast topped with nut butter is a simple yet satisfying breakfast option. The combination of complex carbohydrates from the toast and healthy fats from the nut butter provides you with long-lasting energy to power through your morning. Look for nut butter without added sugars or oils for the healthiest option. 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is another protein-rich breakfast option that can help keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. It's also low in calories and carbohydrates, making it a great choice for those looking to shed some pounds. Enjoy it on its own, or top it with fruits, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. 9. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Quinoa is a nutritious whole grain that's packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Cooked quinoa makes a hearty and filling base for a breakfast bowl. Top it with fruits, nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a delicious and nutritious morning meal. 10. Veggie omelet. Last but not least, we have the veggie omelet. Load up your omelet with your favorite vegetables like spinach, peppers, onions, and tomatoes for a nutrient-packed breakfast that's low in calories and high in flavor. Pair it with a side of whole grain toast for a balanced and satisfying meal. There you have it, folks. 10 delicious and nutritious breakfast options to help you lose weight naturally. Remember to listen to your body and choose foods that make you feel good and energized. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we post new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.